My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. I am Mohammad Firoz Mahmud, science teacher, Milestone School and College, Sector 4 branch. Today, I will discuss with you chapter 6, lesson on to 8. So, let's go to our today's class. Dear students, our today's class is a revision class. So, today I will discuss with you some knowledge based question, comprehension based question, and a sample creative question. Now, knowledge based question. Dear students, at first, what is atomic atom? The smallest particles of matter is called atom. For example, we can say that sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, etc. Now, question number 2, what is atomic number? The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. I mean, the number of proton in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number. Now, question number 3. What is meant by the word atom? The meaning of atom is indivisible. Now, question number 4. What is radioactive isotopes? The unstable isotope that radiate radioactive rays and particles are called radioactive isotopes. Now, question number 5. How many isotopes are there in carbon? There are 3 isotopes in carbon. Now, question number 6. How many isotopes are there in hydrogen? Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Now, question number 7. What is atomic model? The representation of the distribution of electron, protons, and neutrons in an atom is called atomic model. I mean, the representation of the distribution of electrons, protons, and neutrons in an atom is called atomic model. Now, question number 8. What is the atomic number of silicon? The atomic number of silicon is 14. Now, question number 9. Write the name of 3 isotopes of hydrogen atom. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen atom. These are protium, deuterium, and tritium. Protium, deuterium, and tritium. Now, question number 10. Which model is similar to the model of solar system? Rutherford model is similar to the model of solar system because we know that with center of sun planets are moving like as that electrons are moving with the center of nucleus. So it has the similarities with solar system. So we can say that Rutherford model is similar to the model of solar system. Now, comprehension based question. There are 5 comprehension based questions for you. Number 1 is that what do you mean by the mass number? The total number of neutrons and protons in the nucleus of a particular atom is called mass number. I mean mass number equal proton number plus neutron number. Mass number equal proton number plus neutron number. So dear students, for example, the mass number of oxygen is 16, means the total number of protons and neutrons in one atom of oxygen is 16. If this type of question will come in your exam, then at first you have to give the definition of mass number, then you have to write the example about it. Now, question number 2, comprehension based question number 2. Question number 2 is that carbon 12 and carbon 14 are isotopes to each other. Explain it. So, dear students, at first you have to write the definition of isotopes. We know that atom of the element having same proton number but different mass number are isotope to each other. Or we can write that an isotope is any form of a chemical element that has the same number of protons in the nucleus or the same atomic number but has a different numbers of neutrons in their nucleus. I mean they have same proton but different mass number. I mean different neutron number. For example, carbon 12 and carbon 14 both are isotopes of carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Both of two atoms contain 6 protons but contain 6 and 8 neutrons in their respective nucleus. So they are isotope to each other. Now, comprehension based question number 3. Write down the uses of radioactive isotopes. Answer: two uses of radioactive isotopes are as follows. Number 1, isotopes are used in diagnosis and treatment of diseases in medical science. I mean, isotopes are used for identify different types of diseases and also it is used in medical science. Now, number 2, in agriculture, radioactive isotopes are used to control insect. I mean, in the agriculture field, it is used to control different types of insects. Now, dear student, question number 4. What do you mean by the mass number of sodium is 23? Mass number mean we know that the total number of proton and neutrons in an atom is called its mass number. So what do you mean by the mass number of sodium is 23? Answer is that the total number of protons and neutrons in an element is called mass number. By mass number of sodium is 23 mean that the total number of protons and neutrons is 23. Since the atomic number of sodium is 11, the number of neutrons is 23 minus 11 equal 12. I mean, the mass number of sodium is 23 means it contains total proton and neutron is 23. Now, question number 5. Why atoms are electrically neutral? So, dear students, every atom contains same number of electron and proton. So, they are electrically neutral. If any atom lose or gain electron, then it will be charged. Now, think about that. Atoms are electrically neutral because they have equal numbers of protons. Protons mean positively charged in the nucleus and electrons negatively charged in its orbits. Thus, a static electric field is maintained. Losing or gaining one or more electron changes the electrical stability of that atom. For example, sodium Na, it is neutral, but if sodium donate a electron, then it will be Na plus. I mean, it will be ion positive ion, I mean cation. So we can say that if any atom donate or accept electron, then it will gain the charge. Otherwise, atoms are electrically neutral. Now, dear students, there is a sample creative question for you. I'll discuss with you about this creative question and also its answer. Now, read the stem carefully. A is an element whose atomic number is 6 and mass number is respectively 12, 13 and 14. B is another element whose atomic number is 1 and mass number is 2 and 3. I mean, A is an element whose atomic number is 6. So, at first, you have to identify the atom's name from this stem. That atomic number 6 mean it is carbon and atomic number 1 mean it is hydrogen. Now go to the question, knowledge based question. What is atomic number? Comprehension based question. What do you mean by isotopes? Now determine the neutrons number of A. D number, as both A and B shows the same characteristics, their sector of uses are same. Analyze it. So how can you give the answer? What is atomic number? Dear students, if you want to give the answer of this creative question, you have to remember that you have to write the knowledge based question from your textbook and it will be the exact answer. It may be one word or sometimes it may be one sentence. So we can write that the number of protons in the atom of a particular element is known as atomic number. I mean the number of proton in an atom is called its atomic number. Now Question number B. The element having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes of each other. I mean, what is isotope? The element having same atomic number. I mean, they have the same proton number but different mass number. For example, we can say that carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14 are isotopes. How is it possible? Because this carbon has 4 proton, I have 6 proton, I mean its atomic number is 6. This carbon has also 6 proton and this carbon has also 6 proton. I mean they have the same proton number but different mass number. Its mass number is 12, its 13 and its 14. Because the atomic number of carbon is 6 but mass number is 12, 13 and 14. So we can say that atom of the element having same proton number but different mass number are called isotope to each other. So this carbon 12, 13 and 14 are isotopes to each other. Now question number C. From the above stem, the atomic number of element A is 6. Mass number mean proton number plus neutron number. We know that mass number mean proton number plus neutron number. So we can say that neutron number mean mass number minus proton number, because we know that mass number equal proton number plus neutron number. From this equation we can write that neutron number equal mass number minus proton number. For the mass number of 12, 13 and 14, neutron numbers equal 12 minus 6 equals 6, 13 minus 6 equals 7 and 14 minus 6 equal 8. In this case, at first you have to write down the mass number, then you have to subtract proton number or atomic number from the mass number, then you will get the neutron number. In this system we can identify the neutron number of an atom. So dear students, question number D. How can you give the answer of question number D? I mean both elements A and B have isotopes. They have a wide range of use in various sectors in our life. Their uses are at first medical uses of isotopes. Isotopes are used in diagnosis and treatment of diseases. If there is any defect in a narrow artery, it can be detected by sending radioactive isotopes through the blood flowing in the artery. In the same way, the affected cell of a cancer patient can be determined by sending radioactive isotopes. Another uses of radioactive materials is to use its radiation to sterilize medical instrument. I mean, this is the uses of isotopes in medical sector. Now, application in agriculture. In agriculture, the radiation from isotopes are used to control insects. Also, it can be used to find out what type of fertilizer and what amount of fertilizer is needed for a specific crops. I mean, it has more uses in agriculture. for preservation. Germs and bacteria can be killed by the radiation from radioactive isotopes. Therefore, radioactive isotopes can be used to make food and fruits free from germs. Now, uses of isotopes in geological research. Some isotopes are used for determining the old of fossil. I mean, there are more uses of isotopes in different sectors for our life. Now, dear students, there are some related questions for you. Question number one is write down the uses of same element those mass number is different. Same element but mass number is different are isotope to each other. Now, question number two, it is that what do you mean by the nucleus of an atom? We know that in the nucleus, proton and neutron are state. So you have to write down the definition of nucleus and describe about it. Now, question number three, why is the isotopes of carbon is 3? Explain it. Question number 4, what do you mean by the mass number of oxygen is 16? And question number 5, why atom become charged? Explain it. Now, dear students, there are there is a homework about today's class, and today's homework is this related question 1 to 5 learned plus write. So thank you very much for joining of our today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.